Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. Today, well, we're sorting out trouble, like Jeffrey here. Brambles, not your best friends, are they? But plenty more to update you on, so stick around and let's go and have a look. Get that warmed up, we're going to have a quick cup of tea and then we're going to head down, give you an update on lambs, cows, goats, and let's see if the lake's frozen.
Oh yeah, you can go ice skating.
You're going to have to leave it to defrost for a bit, but I just realised I haven't told you that the temperature thing snapped.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
So I'm pretty sure it snapped on cold, which is not great.
Wait, what? It snapped on coals?
Yeah. Right, we're all warmed up. Cup of tea on board.
What?
Skull on the dashboard. What is that anyway?
I think it's a fox skull that you said.
Well, it's got canines, isn't it? Anyone?
Deer?
Well, no, it's got... No, that's a carnivore, surely.
I just had fox.
Yeah, must be a fox. Turn. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just Maggie's there. Shall I leave the gate open?
Oh, no, I'll...
Yeah.
Right, so these are two ram lambs, which we didn't really intend to keep as entire ram lambs, but they slipped the net, so that's why they're being kept separately. They've been on a little paddock on their own, which is why they've got a load of thistles and stuff on them, but they also missed out on us being going through and worming them like everyone, so they're a bit mucky on the bum. So we're going to do that now. He's definitely about 45 kilo. This one's a bit smaller. Alright, that's one. Also, but alright, they're done. So they can get back out in the paddock. We'll go round, we'll feed the pigs, and then we'll go down to the lake field. Alright, what are the chances you're going to knock my camera off the pigs? Alright, we'll have a quick pig update. See who's doing what. So Matilda here is, well, we don't quite know whether, to be honest, I'm too soft to retire her, well, to, you know, retire her, but I think we might try her another litter. We'll just have to be really strict on dates and have a camera up and make sure that we're around, because as soon as the piglets are born, I think it's absolutely fine. It's just that farrowing. Miss Honey should be in pig now, so she's going to be due in... what was it, Halloween, so end of Feb. Our new gilt here, who we bred last year, Amber, she is going to be a year old in January or February. So at that point she's going to go to Bruce, who's not her father, handily, so she'll then have her litter early summer, and then probably at the same time we'll put Lavender back in pig. She has lost a lot of weight feeding all the piglets, and I probably should have kept her on her own just to feed her up, because obviously when they're sharing they probably don't get quite the same quota. But she is just a bit of a thin pig. She always gains condition, absolutely fine, and then it just drops off her when she's feeding, which is, you know, understandable.
Maggie, away. There we go. Oh, buddy, you okay?
Let's have a look. What we need to do, we need to give him a bit more of a try. Oh, I'm on there.
Hey, buddy. You okay, Jeffrey? It's alright, buddy. We love you too. Hey! Buddy. Yeah, we really need to get some clippers. Like, where are our clippers? There we go. Go on some food.
Is that better? What do we get? Right, anything stuck up there?
No, we look okay.
Reckon.
Alright, darling. Move the way so I can get out.
Right, what were we saying? Yeah, so this moody teenager, we need to get a different nose ring in her to stop her feeding, suckling from this one, because, yeah, well, there's no rush to get rid of her, but we do need to help her get condition. We haven't pregnancy tested her, and I fear that she's not pregnant. She just doesn't look, compared to big old greedy guts here, but then again, she hasn't had a calf on her, so who knows?
Just be fat.
She could just be fat. No, I don't. I mean, the bull was here for long enough. I've just realised one thing that we need to do.
What?
Well, one of the many. We haven't taken all the ear tags. These ewe lambs need to be registered by tomorrow. So we could do with putting some hurdles on the track, push them through the gate, just a bit like the other gate.
Yeah, let's go.
And write them down. Right, I don't know how well this is going to go, but we've got two options when it comes to sheep. We either try and build a pen near the field that they're in and do whatever we need to do there, or we walk them all the way up, through all the fields, through the yards, into that handling area in the middle yard, and, well, it could take an hour just to do that, because it only takes one load of sheep to go one way, and it's even more stressful. So I'm hoping that we can just knock up a little pen here, just the other side of this gate, and then we can just sort them out here, then let them back in. Right, we might have to let the cows through.
Through to where?
Just onto the track. Okay, that's upside down.
Oh.
Not that it really matters.
I was going to say, it doesn't really matter, does it?
Okay, that needs to come back that way at an angle.
Oh, I thought you didn't want
I think we might actually end up having to let them all out. Down to there, open this up and then walk them back in.
Oh dear.
Come on, cows. Come on.
Whoa.
Don't open it that much.
Alright. Well, you got it prepared, you know.
Start closing it. That's it. Okay, now close it. Now close it.
Trying. What?
Now close it. Oh no, once
Okay, that's fine.
quick, close it.
It is kind of close.
Leave it, Max. Come. Steady, Max. Come on then. Steady. No, you have to let them all through. Let them all down the track. You're gonna have to, but you'll have to go down there. So open it up, you go down to the gate. Max, that'll do.
Yeah.
You go down to the gate, we'll let them through because they'll come through if this is open.
Yeah.
And then you'll flush them back again. Or you could even,
Alright. Okay, no pressure.
Okay, don't let them pass you.
Okay. What about the cows?
Left.
I thought you know I screwed. Edit out. Edit it out. I cannot be seen. Screaming.
Okay,
Up.
now you bring them back.
No.
Lottie, get back. Lottie, out. Back to you. We don't need them two, do we? Well, it's one of those weather. Back. Maggie, back. Shh, out. Shh. Maggie, back. Shh. Oh dear. Shh. You go right. That's it. Out, Max. What? Stay, Max. Okay, you ready?
Mhm.
Well, you might want to stand that side of the gate, and then you can be in charge of the gate at the same time. What a clever idea, Father. Right.
Yep.
No, she can go.
Why?
She's not good enough to register. She's got a small head, but she's actually quite a good size. 116.
Okay.
She's good. She's nice. 98. Wait for. Right, yeah, you go. Just leave it. Picture. 1, 2. She's coming down. 1, 8. Getting it. 1, 8. She's small. 1, 8. That's it. 1, 3. She's nice. She's lively. She's very well skills. 1, 6. Yeah, that's good. We'll start something. We'll sit. We'll sit. We'll sit. We'll make one straight to the first. She's fine. Sorry. What's that? 1, 4.
Yeah.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Okay. You
Flowers.
are a bonus ewe lamb. So she needs to be tagged.
So I'll just put tag.
Just put the whatever the next tag is on the system. Okay. Right. Good girl.
I'll put tagged girl.
So
you will know what that means, right?
so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh, Dad, there
7,
was
8,
like 3 that escaped.
13. She's too small.
Dad,
Okay. They can all go.
I just put tagged girl, but that means
Go,
that she
go,
hasn't
go,
been
go.
tagged. Okay, let's start the engine. Let's go.
Well, tell you what, for an impromptu handling session, there's been more stressful moments. Wonder if it's not a stupid idea. Not that it's anything to do anytime soon, but you could almost hang a second gate 12, 15 foot back from the other gate, leave it open all the time, and then you'd always have a handling area just inside the field, or just outside the field, if you got a track like this.
So we're gonna go and put the cows out right now. So we've got cows on the track, sheep on the track, and I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to be doing with these cows, but I'm just driving, and I'm not really sure why I'm driving. Cows! Dad! Mike, the other cat, caught 4 rats, didn't he? She's a kitten. Well, they're not really kittens anymore, they're 5 months. Why? No idea. Hey, sweetie.
All right, there we go. That went relatively well. We've managed to sort out everything down there and got all of our ewe lambs numbered off, and we've counted all the wethers that we can sell. So I think we are almost up together on sheep admin. We've let the cows stay down in the meadow for now. There's not really much grass down there, but it's kind of green, so they can have a little bit of time down there, and then we'll probably put them back down in the far field where there's that big round bale. So next job for us is going to be chicken admin and turkeys and duck admin. We've got some new housing, or housing that we've already got that we're kind of renovating. So that's this afternoon's project. One job that you could do is register the ewes. I'll show you the.
Okay, I'll do that. I think I did it last year.
On the form, yeah. And the new kitten. I don't know if this one is, but the other cat, Mike.
Four
Rats this morning.
Yeah.
Good boy. Right, that's it.
Wait, this morning he killed 4 rats?
Well, no, I found 4 by him.
What do you mean by him?
He's lining them up like trophies up there.
Up where?
Up on the hay bales.
Oh, I need to go look.
Any suggestions on the nose ring for the cow? We definitely want to sort that this week. And then I think I might actually just go ahead and get a hyssop tested to see if she's pregnant. 'Cause if she's not, then we might want to have a go
Yeah.
at getting her AI'd. So she's
To be
definitely a
honest, it's
calf.
not really AI though, is it?
What?
I guess it is.
What do you mean?
But it's not like fully AI. They don't like create
No,
like it's not
other
really
AI. You're talking about modern. You're talking about artificial intelligence.
Yes.
Artificial insemination is what the original AI is. Anyway, that biology lesson can be for next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.